I had my camera all set up, brought in the bigger tripod, all ready to start cleaning the Twinkie. And guess what? I cannot find one single memory card to use in my camera. I didn't lose. Somehow I misplaced my card wallet. And it's got to be in the office somewhere. I don't know. But in order to not lose any more time, I have this little thing because I missed vacuuming out the front cabinet. And I have a poncho and also a shower cap. And of course, gloves wherever, the rubber gloves. And I have a whole thing of cleaners here. But I have decided that I'm going to start with, and I have 2 buckets of water. I'm going to start with this awesome cleaner that actually has bleach in it. I really wanted to avoid the bleaches, but it's probably a good idea to give it a try on this ceiling at least. And here's a water bottle for it. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to get started cleaning. You will miss the cleaning process because I can't hold this camera and do that at the same time without, or hold this phone and do that at the same time without ruining my phone or dropping it or what have you. So, oh well, and my mask is right here. So see, I'm prepared. There you go. I'm prepared. And I have sponges and those microfiber towels and brushes and all kinds of things. So I'm going to get started. And I'll just show you the before and after. I don't know how far I'm going to get today. Maybe not too far. We'll see. I spent a lot of time trying to find my little card wallet. Okay, to work now with me. Okay, so how do I look? I look like I'm prepping for surgery. Look at this thing. It's a little cheap raincoat from the 99-cent store, but that's all I needed. I look silly. But, oh well. Okay. Time to hit these. Fun. See y'all in a little bit. Okay, here's the old unwashed wall. And this is inside the cabinetry. And here is the washed wall. So there is a difference. Let me see if I can get that line. There we go. We can see the difference. However, the ceiling is made up of a different material than this part is. I got it fairly clean. I would still want to run over that with some soap and water. This part I cleaned, you can tell. It's still yellowed. Doesn't show up as yellow in the camera, but trust me, it's still yellowed, but it's definitely cleaner. And I do plan on, of course, I'll wash this with soap and water once I'm done too. The awesome cleaner I didn't use because it was bleach based and it said it would ruin vinyl walls and wood. Well, guess what this is? So I've decided to use the vinegar and lemon oil and a sponge. So I'll keep working. This is a lot. I tell you what, this is a tougher part of the job than most anything else I did. But look at that difference. I wish you could really see how yellow that wall is. That's how yellow that wall really is. And that wall turned out fairly white. And of course that's still yellowed. With a few more cleanings I might be able to get it whiter. But I think my best bet would be, after I got it cleaned, would be to kills it and paint it. So I was hoping to have this job done by this month, but it's not looking like it. I just don't get enough hours to work in here. Okay, so back to cleaning. And this is what I'm using. I'll show you. I'm using all natural cleaning vinegar and 100% lemon juice. And of course a sponge. This is as far as I'm getting today. I got the interior of that cleaned up. And I cleaned up the exterior wood just on this overhead thing. I think it's going to need another good scrubbing. I washed the underside. It's going to need another good scrubbing. Started on this window. It looks a lot better. But of course, got a lot of work to do there. And I think I can take that frame out. Shoot, I can't. Never mind. Never mind. I was going to take this frame out. Just noticed it's riveted down. So, okay, I'll just caulk from the outside when that time is available. So, wash down the table. Debating on the table still. I guess it depends on how my furniture fits. I may keep it. So, and you can see the spot where I started washing the wall. I mean the ceiling. So, got a lot to do. A lot to do. This is one of the tougher parts of it, actually. Wow. So, but I'll get it done. Maybe if I could get down here, you know, a couple times this week, I can get quite a bit done in here. That'd be great. Okay, so that's for today. I emptied my buckets. They were black. I mean, the water was black. There's my sponge, which is pretty much wearing out at this point. Doesn't matter. I have this. I have a bunch of sponges. I went to the 99-cent store and bought a bunch. Tried to wear my goggles because the vinegar was burning my eyes, but the goggles kept fogging up on me, so I couldn't wear them. You know what I really wanted to do was wash down this refrigerator. Just so something would look nice in here. Maybe next time, because I didn't think about it till now. But anyhow, it's best just to stay with one section and work my way along. So what I would like to do is just get the entire living room area done. And then work in the kitchen, then in the center, and then in the back. So that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it as far as I know. Okay, and there's my little raincoat I was using. It did help, but it made me sweat a lot. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Again, thanks for your support. You guys are super, and you are great encouragement for me. So, love you guys, and live the life you love. Bye-bye.